everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you my latest projects, and these are vintage naked junk journals. We say naked when the inside pages are not decorated or embellished. I really left the inside pages not embellished because I want the owner to be able to make this her own. It is really fun to add the decorations as you journal. And all these books can take a lot of embellishments. They can grow and expand. All the inside pages are made of tea-stained paper. I stain them and then I bake them. I really love the look and effect of coffee-stained papers or tea-stained papers. The spine of the book is reinforced using Tyvek tape, and Tyvek tape is very durable. This is actually used for building construction. I wanted the journals to last a long time, so this will do it. And then I covered it with burlap. The covers that I used for these books are really vintage. I got them from the antique shops. So really old. I don't know the exact copyright date, but I know they are still beautiful despite the age. I cleaned them and left them as is. And I want to highlight the covers, so I did not do anything. And I used the 4-hole pamphlet stitch binding. I also used the original headband. And so these are the inside pages, coffee stained, and some of the pages are stencilled. This book is perfect for someone who wants to junk journal but don't have the time to do coffee staining or tea dyeing of the papers, and someone who loves to embellish and decorate the pages to make them look pretty. Each book comes with the crinkled hand-dyed seam binding, and I have 3 available colors: bark tan, ash brown, and chocolate brown. The middle of the signatures are turned into pockets, and I have a book that has 4 signatures. I have a book that has 5 signatures, so meaning if there's 5 signatures, there will be 5 pockets. For 4 signatures, there will be 4 pockets. These junk journals will be in my Etsy shop. If you are interested, I will provide the link in my description. If you want to receive the journal with a pack of ephemera, I will have the ephemera pack available in my shop as well. And each pack will contain an assortment of ephemera and elements. So they will have die cuts that I coffee stained or tea stained and then distressed as well. And an assortment of vintage receipts and coupons, sheets of papers that are vintage and not vintage. This is coffee stained library card. And then I will have some tags, some receipts, and the original vintage cleared check. I will also have postcards and tea stained envelopes, handwriting sheets of paper, and again some ledger and some receipts, book pages also. And the pack will come with a burlap bag. I also have a pre-made ephemera pack like this one that comes with the skeleton key and the seam binding, and so this is also available in the shop. I love tea dyeing papers and baking them and then sewing the signatures, so it was really fun completing all these journals, and I will have them again available tonight. And then I will have some more because I have tons of books that I got from the antique shops, and I wanted to use the covers and the book pages. So I will use them for junk journaling, and all the links will be in my description. So thanks again everyone for being here with me today. Thank you for watching. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel yet, please join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.